So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Susan Thapa, and I'm going to present the midnight zone potential hazard for motor and fences for building. And this table of content, I'm going to present first for introduction and the importance of motor and fences, the common hazardous mortal and fences, potential hazards posed by unsafe mortal and fences, steps for accessing mortal hazards, and at last the conclusion. Introduction. Basically, mortal and fences are substances and treatments used in buildings, construction, as well as for decoration. Material are concrete, steel, wood, masonry. Therefore, the fences are uh, floor material, paints, doors, and furniture items. And both are chosen for durability, safety, aesthetics, and complemency with code and standards. Importance of material selection. Uh, it is important to selection of material because it determines the longevity, reliability, and overall identity of the building. Uh, second one is using high quality material help us to create a building with an ideal design. It ensures evaluating the durability as well as sustainability and pricing of each material represent an efficient method for choosing high quality material in line with our specific requirements. And the last one is fire and heat resistance. Common hazards, material and finishes. First one is lead based paint, mainly used in older buildings before its health risks were understood. So by removing lead-based paint without proper protection can release hazardous lead dust and foams. Second one is abscess. It was commonly used for utilization in construction material until its health hazards were recognized. So contacts with abscess fiber can result severe respiratory illness like lung cancer. Hazardous waste. It is mainly used in the industrial and medical waste. May contain dangerous substances like batteries. Proper disposal is essential for following strict rules to prevent environmental contamination. Mercury. It is the product like thermometer, fluorescent lamp, battery. Improper disposal can cause environmental mercury population, impacting ecosystem as well as all human beings. Potential hazards posed by unsafe material and fences. First one is toxic chemical exposure. Product containing toxic substances like lead, mercury, so DOCs can release a hazardous particle or foam. Contact with them. Contact with this toxic chemicals. Uh, Toxic chemicals with our skin exposure can lead to Health complications such as respiratory elements, neurological issues, and even cancer risks. Second one is allergy reaction. Certain material, certain material and fixes can cause allergies, leading to symptoms like skin rashes, itching, redness, issues such as asthma attacks, fire hazards. Certain material and fixes are prone to catch fire easily, like the wood frame, accelerating the spread of flames. These risks apply to insulation, furnishing, and finishes, particularly in residential and commercial spaces. Physical hazards. It goes to sharp jaws or fragile materials, and fixes can present physical dangers causing cuts and injury. For instance, broken glasses or poorly furnished construction. New Zealand do regulation and standard governing material safety in construction. First one is New Zealand Building Code. In New Zealand Building Code, it includes specific section for fire safety, durability, as well as construction standards. It outlines requirements for the building must adhere to in order to ensure safety and longevity. Building Act, and the second one is Building Act 2004. This act mainly focus on the construction integrity, indirectly ensure material safety by adherence to New Zealand Building Code covering fire safety, durability, and construction factors including material decisions. Health and Safety Code Act 2015. It's the primary legislation governing workplace health and safety in New Zealand. It sets the responsibilities for employees, and others to ensure that workplaces are safe and that risks are managed effectively. And the last one is Hazardous Substance and New Organism Act 1996. Primarily, New Zealand law for workplace safety, outlining duties for employees, and others to ensure the workplace are safe and effectively risk control. SWA measures hazard identification, management, including hazardous materials in construction and other projects. And steps for accessing material and hazards. Identify the material. Determining potential hazards associated with
You're running out of time. You already exceeded.
each material and finishes, including constituent factors such as flammability, toxicity, and environmental impact. And second one is access point for risks. Evaluate the potential risks associated with the materials, considering factors like intent use, potential exposure pathway, pathway quantities used or stored, and the potential consequences for accidents involving the materials. Analyze the risks. It involves accessing hazard origins, potential outcome, as well as the outcome probability across a project or assist life cycle. And last one is communication with constellation, monitoring and evaluation. In this assessment, in this assessment and management, continuous communication, consultation, and monitoring and evaluation are important. Effectively, communication plan engage internal and external stakeholders, addressing climate change risks as well as mitigation strategy. And finally, the conclusion. Miscellaneous material selection and management in New Zealand construction ensures safety, sustainability, as well as regulation adherence. Other like paint, repaint, abstract stays popular handling and mitigation interfere material puts health risks, highlighting the needs for through evaluation. New Zealand benefits from a comprehensive regulatory framework and effective risk assessment process ensuring material safety. And in the last, careful material management significantly contribute to the development of safer, environmentally friendly, and robust construction spaces. And my references.
Thank you. It's a little bit of time that was on me, and because you were slow and like so I can see your slides. Yeah, it's beautifully presented. So I have one question. So you're more focusing on the problem handling and mitigation. So what do you recommend while handling these materials like asbestos, lead, and things? How to handle it safe?
Firstly, first of all, you need to obviously, first of all, while dealing with these items, you need to use safety gloves as well as the safety gloves and a person who are using that things. The limit of that risk that might be
Yes, to know that.
if some
It will come, I know. Give it up. Not that soon, but it comes slowly.
yeah, for example, my personal experience. When we used to like color for rent and seller used to measure the liquid mixed in water. We used to